This is a 2009 Chevrolet Silverado. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a sunroof, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a CD player, a leather interior, fog lamps, a traction control system, a passenger side airbag, a power passenger seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 31,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Landers Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram has been voted the #1 place in Arkansas to buy or service your vehicle year after year. We are located at 7800 Alcoa Road in Benton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.